Alrighty, now y'all been asking me on teaching y'all how I do my makeup, and let me reintroduce myself. Hi, I'm Dominique Nash of Welcome to the Nash House. I'm an artist, and I love to play in makeup and make music. There you go. Disclaimer. So what I'm going to teach you is how I actually start off doing my brows with concealer, and also what I use to enhance my natural eyebrows if that's your thing. Okay, girlfriend? Anything that you don't want to do, don't do it. Don't come in my comment section with ignorance. Just know it is all love and light. And we're going to get this after cracking. I done hit it with this Grande Laminate Brow Gel, which is like baby hair gel for your eyebrows. You can get it from the TikTok shop if you're not connected to me, because this is not just posted on TikTok. Of course, I'm on all social sites, so make sure you're connected. Make sure you get connected with me so you can get it from the TikTok shop through my link. But this stuff is the real deal. We've already done a video on it. Let's move on. A off-color concealer. This is by NK. This is off-color because it is not my skin complexion. It is a much shade lighter. See that? Much shade lighter. We want to always highlight it right underneath here and right above here. Why? Because if you are a person who used to get their eyebrows arched back in the 90s, the early 2000s, whenever you got your eyebrows arched, it will make your skin lighter up here from the razor. So it will give you that arch effect. That's why you want to use this this lighter color concealer. Now, you also want to make sure that you put it underneath the eye. And if you get a lot, that's okay. I'll wipe this one out. That's okay. All right, so you want to get under here, 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 here. Yeah, we're going to look like we're going to the tribe. You can get all right here. Ooh, look at that. Now, while I'm doing all of this and all of that on the other side, now you should be repeating this too, cousin, because this is the tutorial you asked for. I know you did. We want to do it together. I don't mind sharing. But when I tell you you're going to look like you came from a tribe, you're going to look like you came from a tribe, and embrace that. You're not doing it wrong. There is no wrong or right way. It's just expressing yourself. Okay, I love you. Yeah, let's go back to it. So when I smile, see how my cheeks go? I like to put concealer right there. Right there. As always, I'm always losing my brushes. I need to get better. We're going to go ahead. We in 2025 and accept that. But what you need to do is get you I don't even know what this brush is called, cousin. But it's the eyeshadow brush. That's going to be the brush that you're going to use. Now, you're going to go ahead and you're going to use it, okay? And then you want to get you this little egg-shaped sponge. That's going to help you blend underneath the eye. Watch. Yeah. And you want to kind of pat that downward and outward. So once we get done, it should kind of attenuate those eyes. Yeah. That's what we want to do. All right, cousin. So I'm going to do the other side. And I'm speeding it up just a little bit. Just a tad bit and smidge it. Because I know that your attention span is short. Mine is too. Okay? ADHD all over here. Hey, you down with OPP? Yeah, you know me. We down with OPP. You did? You Okay, now, yeah. I'm going to use my brush very gently to pull that down. I went up too far, but that happens. If I can make mistakes, it's okay if you make mistakes, okay? Okay, Bookie. And as you see, it's a little bit of pink on there. I need to clean my brushes, but I don't feel like it right now, so we're going to just make it do what it do. Now, right here, I got some concealer up there in my brow that I wasn't trying to get. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to lightly make some strokes to fill that in. Because I ain't mean to do that. And then I got some on my pen where I want my concealer. So I got some on my hand. And I'm just going to lightly tap it. See? Now this is just how I do my brows. Oh yeah. Her superpower is coming alive. Let me see if my light charged enough. Turn back on. All right. So this is the one eye. Oh yeah, she looking like a snack. We're gonna pull that concealer down on our nose. Yes, we is. Look at that. Now I didn't sped this up because we ain't doing nothing but doing the exact same thing on the other side of the face. So cousin, you should be able to do that. You got this. I know you do. Haters, shut up. Nash Clan, what up? All right. Now the main thing is that we want to make sure that we're blending. I don't like to blend so much underneath my eyebrow because I like to have a little bit of a contrast when I do my eyeshadow. So I might leave it a little bit lighter right underneath my eyebrow. So when I start blending them colors, you guessed it, cousin. You guessed it. Oh. Makeup is fun. And makeup is not for everybody. To say, well, I don't like the way your face look. I don't do my makeup for you, boo. I do my makeup for me. And stop being a hater all your life. It's just say you don't know how to do your makeup. And take these free lessons. Yeah. All right. Now, I'm going to show y'all what I do sometimes to create low lights. So I bought this. It's by Kiss. It came with like eyebrow stencils, but it never really worked. But the great part about it is it's dark brown powder. So I'll go right in here and start creating shadows. All right, cousin. Now I did blend it, the dark shadow that I put on there. I blended it with my foundation brush because your foundation, I ain't clean. Judge yourself. I still got some foundation on here, which is dark, my skin complexion. So I blended it in. Now, if we're going to do full foundation, I'm going to show you what I use. And we're going to do this on the next video. So make sure that you go to the next video, okay? I use this Il Makiage. I took the test. I asked my husband to do the shade test for me because when I picked it 2 shades darker. So ask someone else. But Il Makiage is the truth. And you only need 1 coat. That's it. That's it. Now go on to the next video so we can get it cracking. Love you, bye.